were the only one ballin'. You thought you were the only one slay or die. You thought you were the only.
Hey y'all, it's me Prettywitty77 and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Eco Gold Gel, the Eco Styler, you know what I'm saying. So in this gold gel, this very expensive gold gel, it is olive oil and shea butter and black castor and flaxseed. Now your girl's a little tardy to the party, but you know, if you're interested in my opinion, in my review, then definitely keep watching. Now first things first, I just washed and co-washed my hair, so it looks like this. Now there are two main ways that I like to use Eco Styler gel on my hair. That's in a bun or like in a twist out or braid out type of style. Twist out so happen to be my thing right now, and you know, buns, you know, I rock a smooth bun. So I'm gonna be doing a half and half review because I want to just, you know, tell you guys how it works for the top part, which is going to be in a texture bun, and the back part, which is going to be a twist out. I went ahead and parted my hair into halves, top half and back half, and I have the jar here. I haven't even broke the seal, sis. I ain't broke the seal yet because I haven't smelled it, I haven't felt it, you know what I'm saying? Like, I ain't sneaking used it before. Like, this is legit a review. I just gotta break the seal, sis. Okay, it's open. Doesn't smell too bad. It does look really thick, but it kind of reminds me of the black castor and flaxseed. That's my favorite Eco Styler gel. It has these gold little crystal thingies, crystal gold glitter in it. Does it feel thicker though? A tad bit. It does a tad bit feel thicker. But I like thick and rich products, so let's just see how I like these. To moisturize my hair, I'm going to be using the Alake Naturals Shea Yogurt Hair Moisturizer. I like this, y'all. It's super moisturizing, and it's a really thick, it has a really thick consistency, but when you put it in your hand and you just rub it together, it just melts. It just melts. So I really like this. Like, it's super moisturizing. Now that I have moisturizer on the back portion of my hair, it's time to twist. I made it to the top section of my hair. It's slick, starting to dry, so I'm gonna spritz it with some water. So now it's time to test out the bun portion of the gel. I am putting a little moisturizer on the base part of my hair. And now gel time. It goes on just like any other gel, honey. We're just gonna see what the hold do, because the flaxseed, the black castor and flaxseed, the hold that it gives me is just everything. So I will be applying this Cream of Nature's Extra Hold Perfect Edges a little bit to my edges or whatever, because, you know, to add to the sleek look that I'm going for. This is not going to be my final bun. I just wanted to get that loose hair out of the way so I can do some final smoothing. I got this brush off of Amazon. There's a little comb on one end and a little edge, a little small brush on the other. It was really cheap, probably like $2 or $3, so. I just tied the front portion of my hair down, and now I'm gonna just let these hang out out and get big and frizzy, because the frizzier this part of my hair is, the bigger the bun is gonna be tomorrow. So see you soon. Okay, so it is the very next day, and I went ahead and took the rollers off the ends, well, the perm rods off the end, and took this down. I do have a little bit of frizz. I'm not sure if you guys can see, but I don't know if that's a result of my hair, the gel, or me just sleeping kind of wild, because it kept sliding back. The way I tied it down, I got double tied it down. It kept just sliding back in the middle of the night. Girl, I'm just trying to get some hours in, you know what I'm saying? So because I want to be perfect, I'm gonna take this back down and slick it down more with the gel. So far, I'm not experiencing like a lot of like extra hold, but I do notice that it's not making my hair hard, so it's gotta be moisturizing than the other ones I've tried. I can say that it seems to be moisturizing. I got curls trying to stick straight up. Okay, curly girl. I supposed to twisted this up, but I didn't. And it's okay. It's okay. Because I wanted to have a little bit more texture, but it's alright. This is about to do. Look how easy it was. And it's cute. So let's get to the moment of truth. So I air dried this. Usually I sit under a hooded dryer, but it turned out cute. Look at my little curl on the end. Okay, this is about to be bomb. I'm excited. I do have a little bit of olive oil here that I'm going to put on it, because I don't know if I should use like a moisturizer or an oil, but I'm just gonna do it because it feels kind of not moisturized. I don't know why. It just doesn't feel, well, to the touch, it doesn't feel dry, but just, I guess it's a different gel. So anyways, let's go ahead and start unraveling. So these are my final results. I'm trying to just get a feel for it. My hair doesn't feel dry or like crunchy at all. It does feel really soft. It doesn't feel like I used a gel, especially for how thick that gel is. Like, I really don't feel like I used a gel. Maybe like a twisting cream. I do see that I have a lot of shrinkage. I feel like it shrunk. You know, I got little inches, you know what I'm saying? But it feels like, I mean, as long as it's touching my shoulders, you know, I ain't really mad. You know, nobody's father is really complaining as long as it's touching your shoulders. But it's really cute. I feel like I probably should have braided a couple to give the top a texture look, but that's not what this review is about. The hold for this part of my hair, it got a little frizzy, but it still held really good. I do feel like the black castor and flaxseed one could have done better for the bun portion, but I am not mad at these twists, you know what I'm saying? Okay, the question is, do I feel like this little jar is worth it? Like, will I buy it by the bucket? Will I buy it by the pound? You know, we shipping it in by kilos. Like, what we doing? No. But in the meantime, I'm gonna enjoy this little jar. I probably won't be using it for buns, because I feel like my Eco Styler black castor and flaxseed one does fantastical. Is that a word? It's really soft. Like, I ain't gonna even, no flex, y'all. I'm not even, no cap. It feel good. Where your daddy? You can see how defined the curls are. Well, these curls towards the top of my hair are looser anyways, so I guess you will want to see what it's looking like off it now. And there you have it. On a scale from 1 to 10, I probably will rate this gel maybe a 7. It's not bad at all, y'all, but it's just expensive as like, oh, it's not bad, but I still like the black castor and flaxseed one because it is more affordable, and I do buy it in bigger tubs. And this, y'all, people say in this jar $18, but I looked at the shipping information, and this jar plus shipping and other things, it was like $30, so $18 who. So that pretty much concludes this video. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. And I hope to see you again here. Become a Whitty, let's be friends, or like stepmother and stepchild, like whatever you want to do, you know, I'm down. But anyways, I'll see you guys in the next video. I got my braces off. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, like who am I?